Going to be installing an Ultra Power lift support and a 2000 Honda Insight. This Ultra Power lift support was obtained through Rock Auto. I found that this was the cheapest lift support that I personally could find on the internet, and I'm pretty good about searching things. This one was around $7.50. Two of them, so for $15 you get two brand new Ultra Power lift supports. Another thing just to know is if you see deposits of oil on the cylinder right there, that's a good indication that this lift cylinder seals are blown and it is probably either not working or on the way out. You can see a little bit of drool at the very base of that as well. So the first step we're going to be doing is we're removing this black plastic cover right here, and I don't know if my camera's going to be able to pick that up or not, probably not, but basically it's just kind of a loose fit clip. You have to spread the top out a little bit and it pops out. So that's how that goes. And that's going to expose a 14mm nut. Up top, there's a 12mm bolt here with a little round edge on it. It's important to know that this does not separate from the bolt. This is all one unit right here from Honda. And set it aside. The smaller bag will contain a collar, a large plastic washer, your upper mounting bolt, and a mounting bolt washer. So, something that'll need to happen on this Ultra Power lift support. The shoulder of the mounting bolt will not fit through the hole exactly. A little bit of paint buildup in here from the manufacturing process. We're going to go inside and take a 1/2-inch drill bit and just lightly ream this hole out. And now the bolt fits just fine. Okay, all right, so we've just got the inside of the bracket hole reamed out with the 1/2-inch drill bit. And what that's going to allow to do is allow the shoulder of this bolt to pass through the hole without obstruction. Install the smaller little washer, install the larger collar like so, and mount in the car. Okay, so the next step is installing this upper support mount. Alright, next, grab your lift support, and this ball joint at the very top of the lift support simply clips onto the mount bolt. It helps to have a friend to do this part, but if not, and you're tall, you can probably manage on your own. The bolt included with the Ultra Power lift support is an 11mm. The OEM bolt was 12mm, so make sure you use the appropriate size wrench to tighten this down. Final step is installing the trim that came with the car originally, and it fits right on top of the Ultra Power lift support. And there we are.